Hi, Betty. How are you today?
Hi. Hi, Dave. I'm pretty good.
Good. You look kind of excited today. What's going on?
Yes. I'm planning for a visit from my family for a holiday.
Oh, wow. That's exciting.
Yes, but there's a lot of things to do. I will be cooking a big dinner and I want everything to taste pretty good.
Okay. All right. That sounds like you need to start planning for that. Why don't we do this today? Why don't we start writing down the things that you want to do?
That really helped me, but I can spell all the word too good.
Okay. Well, don't worry about your spelling today. Let's just start by making a list,
Okay.
and I'll see where I can help you.
Okay.
All right?
I'm gonna cooking an American dinner with the turkey and vegetable and everything.
Okay. Well, let's write on the paper here. Let's start with turkey on the list.
Okay.
So, see, what else did you want to have on your?
And I wanna have a cranberry.
All right. Anything else, like a vegetable or? So, Betty, let's go out to the library and find some cookbooks.
Oh, okay. Okay. Look, Dave. This table looks beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, that looks really nice.
Okay. I want to make this kind of salad. Do you think I can make it?
Oh, yeah, I think you can do that.
Yeah.
Why don't you do this? Why don't you get this recipe? It's right here.
Okay.
And then the other one that you like, and check the books out, and when you get home, copy the recipes.
Oh, okay. That really helped me.
Good. And then when you come back on Tuesday,
Uh-huh.
we'll add these two recipes to the menu, and then we'll continue planning for your meal, all right?
I like that. Good morning, Dave.
Good morning. You look really happy today.
Yes, I am. My family loved the dinner, and they ate and ate. And what they said, it was the best holiday dinner they ever had.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. On Saturday, we went to San Francisco to sightseeing.
Wow, you had a really exciting and fun weekend.
Yeah, the weather was so beautiful.
Well, why don't we write about your experience to San Francisco?
Dave, you know, I can't spell too good.
But you always have some really great ideas, and it sounds like you and your family had a lot of fun this weekend. I'll tell you what, let me show you a way to get your ideas down on paper
Yes.
simply first,
Okay.
and then you can write something from there.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to write down your ideas, write down the things that you tell me. We're going to start with the main topic. So this is your trip to San Francisco.
San Francisco. Okay. We drove to Vallejo. And then we took the ferry to Fisherman's Wharf.
Okay, Betty, here's your story. So go ahead and take this paper and copy the sentences, and that'll be the start of your story.
Thank you.